Hi guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the next in the build and decorate your dollhouse. This time guys, it's the number 71. But well guys, before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, if you like this collection, if you like this dollhouse, make sure to leave a like down below. And guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Partener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, live streams, lots of cool stuff guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well guys, let's go ahead, let's get into this. Alright guys, so we have everything out of the initial plastic, and now it's time to check out the magazine. Up at the top we have the title of the collection, Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse in the Victorian Style, and down below it says enjoy this elegant and spectacular home of your dreams. This guys is the number 71. And here in the bottom you see the dollhouse, how it will look once we have it completed. And guys, this collection is from editorial Salvat. So let's go ahead and let's open this up. And here it talks about the modern dining room. It looks really nice. You can see all kinds of goodies, all kinds of snacks on the table with nice seating. And well, let's open this up. Here you have a more further away shot from the table, so you can see more of the living room. It looks really nice. And down here, as always, it gives you point for point of exactly what's in this room. And here guys, it talks about these screens which were used to protect people from the fireplaces so that they wouldn't end up with like ash or extreme heat in their faces. It looks really nice. And well, let's open this up. There were different types. And over here guys, it shows you how to connect these papers, the new papers that we got, which I'll show you in just a minute, and the new Frankenwood piece that we got. So let's see. It tells you all of the things that you'll need to be able to do this project, and then it walks you through how to do each one of the steps. And well, let's open this up. Okay, there we go. And guys, as I always say with this collection, once we unbox the entire thing, I will show you step by step of how to do each and every one of these projects, so we will build the dollhouse together. So guys, if you haven't yet, now would be a good chance to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post a new dollhouse or any other video for that matter. And of course guys, if you like this collection, if you like this unboxing, make sure to leave a like down below. And well, let's continue on here. That's another thing with this collection, is that sometimes the pages are very stuck together. There you go. Very nice paintings, as always. And well, let's open this up. Let's see if I can't. There. I love all of the old historical paintings and photos that come in this collection. They're so cool. And well guys, let's close here. And well guys, in the bag we have the front of the dollhouse, how it will look once we have it completed. And as I said before guys, this collection is from editorial Salvat. Okay guys, so let's flip back to the front. And now it's time to check out our new additions to our dollhouse. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Okay guys, so before I show you the papers, I wanted to show you this Frankenwood piece that we got. It's pretty thick. You can see it there. It's the same, of course, on both sides. Let me show you so I can give you an idea of how thick it is. You can see there. And okay guys, I'm gonna put this to the side and we're gonna check out our new papers. Okay, so I'm gonna show you one at a time. Let's see, it seems we have more than the two that I thought. So let's see, so this is the first one. It's the brick front of the house. It looks very realistic and very cool. I really like it. Let's see. And let's make sure no other ones are hiding. Okay. In the back, it's just white because we're going to be gluing this part to the Frankenwood for the front of the house. And well, let me show you the other ones. Ah, there's actually 4. Okay, so here's the second one. And again, guys, these are kind of thickish paper, which are plastified. So you know that they'll last a good long while, which is pretty cool. And again, just like the one before, there's white on the back, which we will glue to the front of our dollhouse when the time comes. Ah, there's not 4, there's 3. So here's the third one. It's the same brick as before, the same nice plastified paper, which is pretty thick. And on the other side, just like the others, it's white. Okay, so that's that. So in this number, we got the magazine, these 3 papers, and the Frankenwood. You guys tell me, what do you guys think down in the comments below? I look forward to hearing from you guys. And well guys, that's the end of that. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying around down there guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, if you haven't yet, make sure to go on over and follow me on my Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. I will have those linked, of course, down in the description below. And guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Partener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, and live streams as well, which I'm a part of. So make sure to go on over and subscribe to him. I will have his links down in the description below. And well guys, I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.